Summer is right around the corner and some of you parents are going to love it because it is for 6 weeks holidays, which means your kids are going to run riot. But let them run riot in the Volkswagen ID Buzz, which is perfect for them camping trips, surfing trips, big golf trips that you've got planned this summer. So let's take a journey on what this Volkswagen ID Buzz has to offer. So then let's start off at the front. You've got a simple design that's very flat, but it looks rather interesting. You've got the massive VW big logo right in the centre. Now this compartment here can be opened up by pulling the lever in the passenger seat, and that is where you can refill your washing liquid. Or down below you've got this cool grille design just down at the bottom, adding the VW, making it a lot nicer from the front, but it's the side that gives it a massive profile. Now then, look at the sheer size of this ID Buzz. Now I'm about 5'8" and it's 1.8 meters tall, which is quite cool. You've got the 19-inch Tilburg alloy wheels design. Now these are really sturdy and they look really nice for the electric vehicle. But to open the side doors, as you can see, you've got the sliding doors. Now that enters the free backseat passengers, and we'll get onto that very shortly. But how about the back design? Round the back, it's got a simple flat design similar to the front. It's got the extended roof spoiler that'll keep the rain out. You've got the huge VW badge, which is a little bit smaller than the front one. You've got the white ID Buzz right, and that really stands out. You've got the full width LED tail light, as well as the parking sensors at the back. And I'll get onto boot space very shortly, but look at the sheer size. Now this is going to hold a lot. So then let's start off with these cloth seats that you get the cool pattern, and these are really comfy. You've got the arm extender as well, just to make them long trips a lot more comfortable. But these are heated, manually adjustable, but so is the steering wheel. These are also heated as well, heated front windscreen and back as well. So let's check out the infotainment center, because this is quite up to date for an ID Buzz. So then, to start off with, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel. Now this has got speed limiter, modes, view, volume button, and then just behind it we've got the digital display. Now this is all what you need. You've got the speed, you've got how many miles, and your battery charge. That's all you need from this tiny little display, which is brilliant. And then comes to this is a bit more high-tech infotainment center that you get on the ID Buzz. So then this is the home screen. You've got the navigation. This is where you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, where you put your music. You've got charging and telephone. You can either swipe, or if I just press that button, that will open up the main menu. You've got navigation, vehicle, charging, the sound, as well as background. So if I go on to background, you can change the different type of background that you want to suit your different driving modes. So now that's changed the theme, which is really quite cool. Just below it, you've got the temperature just there. So if I just press onto that, this will open the aircon options that you get on the ID Buzz. So you've got heated steering wheel, heated front and passenger seats. Now this can do, you can either have it on sync, or you can have 2-zone climate control, dual climate control as well. Now this has got the parking menu as well, and then you've got exit parking space as well. You've got assist mode, and you've got the other driving modes such as eco, comfort, sport and individual. And you've also got loads and loads of door space with USB-Cs imported in the doors as well. That'll keep both passenger and driver really happy. So then, coming on to the back seats. Now you've got the sliding doors to open up, and these seats are really comfy. The same seats that you get in the front, but these are rather cool. So you can hop in, and these are movable, so you can make them smaller or bigger depending on how much space you have in the boot. But this is really handy because of these trips. You've got the little opening tray to put your food on as well. You've got a little pouch in the back seat, so you can put your phone, wallet, anything you want if you want to have a sleep in here. It's got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, and not to mention some coat hangers space as well. So then now onto boot space. Now that, like I said, this van is 1.9 meters tall, and this has got 1,121 liters of boot space. Look how big it is. If I open this bit up, you've got 2 storage units, which is really handy for your electric vehicle cables. As well as that, now this has got a humongous amount of space, plus it's got the boot hatch as well that's easily foldable. So then this is so long, so like I said, you can fit 1,121 litres of boot space in the ID Buzz. Would you get this because of the boot space, or do you just like the van? Let me know down in the comments. So then on to power, and let's talk about the statistics. Well, this has got 0 to 62 time in 10.2 seconds, top speed of 90 miles per hour and 201 brake horsepower. But you're not buying the VW ID Buzz just because of its power. You're buying it because of its space in the front, back and boot space, which is a vast amount. But I hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorial of a VW ID Buzz, and don't forget to check out all of our videos that we've got going on every single Friday. So make sure that you tune in for next time, and until next time, I'll see you later.